Jadak moro man nyuki kokalo kuom okil mare Douglas Ombongi ochwalo bura e doho mamalo mar chungo chenro mar piedho jotend migepe 7 mag kaunti ma Laikipia manogwel kod kaunti no. Kakoro Lilian Kendi ochwalo ng'ur e doho e wi gino mawacho ni Irungu ne okodeo gendini manok mayudore e kaunti ma Laikipia. Kata kamano okil kamaloka mar piny owacho mar kaunti ma Laikipia onyiero ng'ur makamano ka owacho ni ng'ur mar japinyno ne okoluwo chike ma oketi kaka ndiko ne kaunti mar winjo ng'ur margi. Burano kata kamano ibiro winji kata ibiro dhi godo nyime tarik 28 mar dweni.
Generally the petition was trying to stop the vetting process that was supposed to start today, or rather that started today. In the petition, the petitioner was trying to stop the county assembly from doing exactly what they are supposed to do as per the law. So the judge has agreed with us and said that the court cannot take the space of the county assembly and cannot vet the nominees on behalf of the county assembly. So the court has to allow the county assembly to do what it is supposed to do, and then if the court will be invited, it can interrogate whether process was followed as to when it will end.
What has happened is that the judge is of the view that he cannot grant conservatory orders at this stage. He wants to hear the opinions of all stakeholders. We will ventilate all these issues on the 28th of November, and then perhaps the court will be properly equipped with information that will guide it on what orders to make on that day, as far as the petition is concerned and as far as our application is concerned.